Hi, boys and girls. If you're watching this video before you completed the worksheet, please pause the video and go back and complete your work first before going any further. I wanted you to use this video for checking your work, okay? So if you have completed the worksheet, let's go through it one problem at a time. You can stop the video, rewatch it, however many times you need, and make corrections as you go, okay? So the first thing we want to do for problem number 1, 2 times 48, is we want to break up 48 into two pieces, right? So we're going to break it up into 40 plus 8. Okay, put that in parentheses and bring down our 2. Remember, if we see a number outside a set of parentheses with no sign in between, we automatically know that that means to multiply. So now we have our problem set up very, very similar to a distributive property problem, which we are used to. So let's do that. Okay, I'm going to draw a box around the outside, what I'm distributing, and then draw my arrows to show what I am distributing inside the parentheses. So we have 2 times 40, okay, and then we have the plus sign that gets carried down and the 2 times 8, all right. 2 times 4 is 8, and then just bring down your 0, so that's 80 plus 2 times 8, which is 16. If I add them together, if you're not sure and you want to do some scratch work off to the side, you can, okay? And you should get 96 as your final answer. Also remember, you can use a calculator to help you with all of your operations, but just make sure you show all the steps, okay, like I just did on your paper, even if you're using a calculator. All right, let's go to problem number 2. Let me slide my screen over here. I'm going to pick a different color. Okay, so my double digit number is 15. I'm going to break up 15 into 10 plus 5, okay? And then I'm going to put that in parentheses and bring down my number 3, okay? So when we know that we need to multiply, so I'm going to draw in my multiplication sign, and I'm going to box everything out and draw my arrows, okay, to show what I'm distributing. So I'm going to have 3 times 10 plus 3 times 5. Okay, so again, what we could do is just do 3 times 1, which is 3, and bring down the 0, so that makes it 30. Okay, 3 times 5 is 15. When you put everything together, again, feel free to do scratch work off to the side. You get a final answer of 45. Okay, and then for problem number 3, let's go through it together. Okay, our double digit number is 28. So if I break 28 up into two pieces, it should be 20 plus 8. Okay, remember, since the 2 is in the tens place, it can't just be a 2, it has to be 2 tens, which is 20. Okay, we're going to bring down our 4. Okay, so we now have to distribute everything. Okay, 4 times 20 will be the first thing. Oh, let me neaten that up a little bit here. Okay, 4 times 8. Oh my goodness. Do that one more time. All right, so let's multiply. 4 times 2 is 8, and then you bring down your 0. So 4 times 20 is 80. 4 times 8 is 32. Off to the side, you can do your scratch work to get your final answer. And remember, you can also use a calculator. All right, so 0 plus 2 is 2, 8 plus 3 is 11. Final answer was 112. Okay, if you need to rewatch any of these videos to check your work, please feel free to do so. Also, make sure you can come see any one of the teachers in the room for help if needed. Thank you.